I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by forcing Windows into the recovery environment. This is faster than guessing. If the PC won't reach safe mode, interrupt boot 3 times or hold Shift and click Restart. Once the menu appears, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. You can also plug in a USB recovery drive or Windows 10 installation media. These provide the same advanced tools. Do this now so you have access to Startup Repair and other utilities that automatically scan boot files and repair common problems. Once you're in Advanced Options, run Startup Repair first. It detects damaged boot configuration or missing files and applies fixes automatically. If problems persist, open Command Prompt, run chkdskc/f/r to fix disk errors, then sfc/scano to repair protected system files. After those complete, try System Restore to roll Windows back to a stable point. This undoes recent changes without affecting personal files. Make sure to reboot between steps so changes take effect, and if previous steps fail, choose Reset this PC with Keep My Files. This reinstalls Windows while preserving personal data and often resolves deep system corruption. If you need a fully clean slate, select Remove Everything for a complete reinstall. Once done, install updates and drivers to prevent recurrence. If you still see the error, boot into safe mode to uninstall recent drivers or updates, and finally restore from a backup image. One key tip: if reset stalls, recreate recovery media and repeat the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.